You clicked this video because something looked weird. Good, because what I'm about to show you is genuinely one of the strangest and smartest AI content opportunities on YouTube right now. This is real, this is happening, and almost nobody is doing it yet. We're talking about a new format called animal train videos. Not trains with animals on them, animals that are trains, moving through cinematic landscapes. Sounds absurd, and that's exactly why it works. Most people assume AI content is dead. They think the market is oversaturated. They think you need expensive tools, tens of thousands of subscribers, or some editing background to make it work. Here's what's actually true. The creators quietly scaling in this niche right now are not designers. They're not editors. Some of them made their first video in under 2 hours using only free tools and watched it hit 6 figures in views inside a week. The opportunity isn't gone. It hasn't even started. This niche is sitting wide open, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to walk straight through that door first. Here's what we're covering: why this specific format hijacks viewer retention better than almost anything else on Shorts right now. The exact production pipeline, step by step, tool by tool, so you can create your first video today. How to build a channel that YouTube actually trusts and pushes. The precise launch sequence that gives your first short the best possible shot at going viral. And at the very end, I'm giving you a complete copy-paste metadata formula. Title, description, tags, hashtags, optimized, ready to publish. Don't skip to the end, you need the context first. Moving on. Before we begin creating these videos, we need to kill the biggest lie floating around YouTube right now. And that lie is this: AI videos don't get monetized. This is completely wrong, and believing it is the reason most people give up before they even start. YouTube does not have a rule that says AI content gets demonetized. That rule does not exist, and you won't find it anywhere. What YouTube does penalize is low-effort content, and that's a completely different thing. Here's the distinction that actually matters. If you take the same 5-second clip, duplicate it 40 times, slap it onto a channel with 0 branding and 0 editing, and upload it in batches of 50 a day, YouTube flags that, not because it's AI, but because it's spam. A real camera would get flagged for the same reason. The issue is never the tool. The issue is always the effort and the originality behind it. To make AI content monetizable, you need 3 things working together: original visuals generated fresh every time, consistent branding that signals you're a real creator, and a channel infrastructure that YouTube reads is legitimate. Every step in this video is built around those 3 pillars. Skip one of them, and you're leaving the door open for YouTube to quietly suppress your content. Do all 3, and you're building something that can compound into a real revenue stream. Let's get into the workflow. The entire production pipeline runs through 3 free tools in sequence: ChatGPT, Google Flow, and Grok. That's it. No paid subscriptions required to get your first video out. Let's begin by creating your channel name, a name that's niche relevant, easy to remember, and scales with every new video you upload. This is your brand, and it's non-negotiable. Take this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After a few seconds of processing, ChatGPT will give you 10 options. Pick the one that feels distinct and sounds good for you. In the same chat with ChatGPT, you're going to paste in this master prompt. This is a structured prompt that generates complete image and video prompts for every scene in your short. Here's how to fill it in. In the animal name placeholder, enter your chosen animal. Any animal works. In the number of scenes placeholder, enter how many scenes you want, followed by the word scenes. In the branding placeholder, input your channel name. When you're done with fill-up, hit send. Once ChatGPT processes everything, your output will be ready. Each scene comes with a complete image prompt and a video animation prompt. All you do is copy and paste. With the prompts ready, head over to Google Flow. Switch to the image creation mode. After that, select your preferred aspect ratio. Since we're doing shorts, 9:16 will do it. Set the model to Nano Banana Pro and set output per prompt to 2. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT for scene 1, paste it into Flow, and generate. Within seconds, you'll have your images ready.
go ahead and download the image. Once you have all your images ready, go ahead and launch Grok. Upload the Scene 1 image you generated, copy the video prompt from ChatGPT for Scene 1, paste it in, and hit Send. Grok will processes the image and generates a multi-shot cinematic clip in seconds. Before you download, click the three-dot menu, select Upscale Video. Wait a few seconds for the HD badge to appear, then download. Never skip the upscale step. The raw output resolution isn't sharp enough for a polished channel. Repeat this procedure for every scene you have. Once every scene is rendered and upscaled, it's time to move into post-production. Open your video editor. Drag all clips onto the timeline in scene order. Add a simple fade transition between every clip. This creates a cinematic flow and keeps people watching through to the end. Export the video, and you're done.
Alright, with your video ready, let me show you how to build a channel YouTube recognizes as legitimate before you upload your short video. Most people build the video perfectly and then upload it to a channel that YouTube doesn't trust, and a video uploaded to an untrusted channel gets a smaller initial push, fewer impressions, fewer views, and the creator thinks the video failed when actually the channel failed. The first thing you need is a profile picture. Copy and paste this optimized image prompt into Google Gemini. Include your channel name in the prompt. Add $AR1 at the end for a square format. After processing the prompt, Gemini generates a professional branded profile image in seconds. Head over to YouTube Studio and upload it. For the banner image, feed this prompt to Google Gemini and hit Send. Within a few seconds of processing, your high-quality channel banner will be ready. You can now go ahead and upload it to YouTube Studio. Now, to get your channel description and tags, feed this prompt to ChatGPT with your channel name. When ChatGPT is done processing, the output is an SEO-optimized description that tells YouTube exactly what your channel is about and who it should show your content to. Copy it directly into your channel settings. Same thing for channel tags. Paste the tags prompt into ChatGPT, wait for it to generate the output. When it is done, copy and paste the output into your tag section. This is how YouTube builds context around your niche. Inside YouTube Studio, go over to Settings, then Channel, and set your channel country to United States, even if you're not based there. This targets the highest RPM advertising market by default. When monetization activates and you set up AdSense, you'll enter your actual country at that point. Go to Feature Eligibility in your channel settings. Verify your mobile number to unlock intermediate features. Then, verify advanced features using video verification. You'll see a pending status. Approval takes 24 to 48 hours. Do not skip this. Unverified channels get a smaller algorithmic push. It's not a theory, it's a pattern every serious shorts creator learns eventually, usually after their first video underperforms. For your channel category, select Entertainment, not Pets and Animals. This is the mistake that limits reach for most animal content channels. The Pets and Animals category signals to YouTube that your content should be shown to animal enthusiasts specifically. Entertainment signals global reach, kids, adults, casual scrollers across every demographic. Our content is about journey and mood. Entertainment is exactly right. Now, before you upload that video, spend some few hours watching 20 to 25 shorts inside your niche. Subscribe to 10 to 15 channels in the same space. Just try to engage naturally. This signals to YouTube that this account belongs to a real human with consistent niche interests. Before you publish your video, you have to take note of the publishing time because it is very important. Publish your first short between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the window where engagement velocity is highest, the early traffic that YouTube uses to gauge whether a video deserves broader distribution. If you're in another time zone, that's 6 to 8 a.m. Pacific, 2 to 4 p.m. UK, or 7 to 9 p.m. in India. Match your upload to that EST window regardless of where you are. After your first short goes live, do not touch it. Do not edit the title. Do not change the description. Do not delete and re-upload.
Do not upload another short within the first hour. YouTube's algorithm needs uninterrupted time to test your video with small audience batches. Every edit resets part of that process. Panic editing a slow-starting short is one of the most common ways creators accidentally kill their own momentum. If views are low in the first few hours, that's normal. Let it run. All right, you made it. Concerning the metadata formula promised at the start of this video, I'm going to deliver it to you only if this video reaches 200 likes, so make sure you hit the like button and share it to a friend. And with that, this video comes to an end. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more breakdowns like this. If you want to learn how to create talking animated fruits, check out this video right here. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.